National President kan National People's Party Conrad ki sangma ubadairu menteri rangba ka jala Meghalaya ulakam bana kisan proprietary ki Constituency ka jala ka NPP kala donya ki kyrtong ki ban job ha ka election je nong mikmat sakar ying dorbar thawan ka jala Meghalaya house nam arja apulai yakani Conrad ulapan pau habakran ka jinghelang priang buram ha kanok phai sngi laipoi tari urisau arja arpuar yauba Allen West Kharkongor shaka NPP ubanya airang shaka election MLA nasora Constituency ulo ang ru baka jingkiu ke NPP kedai ke bastat bah bat kedo badang shan kiriu rangba bat kinoi lam baper kilawanya so shaka party.
As a political party, as I had mentioned in the beginning, we are seeing response coming in from different corners of the state today. Just 2 to 3 days back, we had another leader who had joined the National People's Party from the Congress Party in Mokundro Constituency. Bakan Singh had joined us. And today, we have Allen who's joining us, and his candidature has been declared. So like this, in almost 58 constituencies today, the National People's Party has identified candidates, potential candidates, and in most of them we have even announced them, and soon we will be announcing the rest of the candidates who we haven't announced. But 58 constituencies as of now, we have identified our candidates. And that's a huge jump from what we had in the last election and what we have today. And this is a clear indication and a clear message that the people of Meghalaya, the leaders of Meghalaya today are looking towards NPP as a party that they believe in, a party that has proven itself in the last 4.5 years to be able to take the state forward and, more importantly, take up issues that were very critical to our people, that were not taken up in the past. But this government has taken those steps forward and moving it to the right conclusion. And that has led to the confidence building in the people, and that is why today we are seeing this kind of response in this particular election, where hundreds and thousands of people and other leaders from other political parties also today are leaving their political party and are joining the National People's Party